Good morning, everyone. It is time. See if we can catch a trade today. No trades yesterday. We didn't have confirmation. We stayed disciplined. We didn't take a trade, which is one of the biggest flexes of all. Good morning. What's up, Dave? Thanks for all the likes. Oh yeah. Good morning, Prophet and PJs. How you doing this morning? Sarah Cake Studio. I'll message you on IG today. I got it figured out about the account. Okay. Okay, yeah, go over to. I'm live on YouTube right now. You can just go straight over to the YouTube if you'd like. Manifesting a nice day for us, everyone. Just has it been a good week for day trading? We managed to be a little green so far, but I'm hoping we can catch one good trade today, make us have a nice green week. Good morning, everyone. I'm glad everyone is. Hold on a second. How much do we risk per trade? I mean, once the setup confirms, we decide the stop loss. Right? Then we know our risk. We only take a trade if it makes sense on a risk reward, from a risk to reward perspective. Oh, I have some more good news, everyone. We got time to talk here, so if you have a topic you'd like me to discuss, just drop it in the chat. But I may have some more Apex codes as well. I got the message this morning, so maybe another giveaway this week. So. Nice, Rocco. How many contracts? 3 to 5 MNQs. What I tell everyone. I'm never gonna not say that when people ask me for funded accounts. 3 to 5 MNQ should be plenty. Yeah, Steve, we did a giveaway yesterday. I gave away 350K take profit accounts. Today, I may do an Apex giveaway. Maybe we'll save it for Friday. Tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see. The only thing I ask of everyone is to hit the thumbs up and the likes and share the lives. You can wait to share them a little closer to market open. Josh, I mean, you could go with 10 MQ on evals if you like. You just, not going to take as many hits for you to lose it. Definitely wouldn't start out with that on my funded, though. There you go, Jersey Flips. Sorry you have to work. Hopefully you get to trade with us soon. Good morning, Bill. Good morning, Jeff. Appreciate the follow. Man. We have about 10 minutes until market open. Good morning, Terry. Good morning, Ariel. What do you call a sheep that knows karate? feel like I should know this one. Someone tell me the answer in TikTok. You'll never know. The question's on YouTube, is what I'm saying. The joke. Lamb chops, there you go. Classic. Oh, just having a little fun here pre-market. It's almost time to lock in though. That's a good one, for sure. Hey, no booing. What are you doing? Solid joke. Good morning, Danny. Coffee needed quickly. That is a legit emergency in my opinion. I need you to go get the ASAP before we start trading. Whatever you're sipping on, you better get it ready. It's not much longer. Market's almost open. Remember, taking a lot of trades during this market this week. Even if you see someone, I'm not putting anyone down. I'm just trying to save you all from being stuck in the same continuous cycle. Even if you see someone taking trades during this, especially if they're trading NQ this week, I'm not saying that they're making up trades, but I haven't seen legit setups this week. You know, what we usually look for. So don't be building bad habits outside of this live, is what I'm saying, please. We work too hard to build good, build discipline together. Unless you're, if you're consistently profitable making money, then more power to it, to you. If you're not, you need to lock in with us. Hit some legs this morning. What did you all hit at the gym? Welcome, welcome. You all have any questions? Now's the time. The crowd hasn't showed up yet. We still got, prep for today. I did a little pre-market prep this morning. The only thing I'm watching for right now, everyone, off the open, would be a possible short at this Asia low, okay? I'll let you know if I take it. If it just rips straight up real fast, it's going to be higher risk, of course. You all know how it works. Nice, me. Hitting some upper body. This was my main watch this morning, everyone. It already hit pre-market. This demand, you can see Grisology confirmed. That was my main bounce area for today. Diana, I'm trying to read your comment. You do Pilates, but today, bar, nice. That's no joke. I've tried the classes before. They are no joke. Anybody, don't knock it until you've done it. It'll definitely wear you out. Let's see here. It was the hourly demand, and I really liked it. We have that point of control, a previous day point of control in the area as well That's why it was my highest probability setup in the HOSIC and hourly demand. Yeah, that's what I said. What is it, Danny? Oh, yeah, I got you. I know what you're talking about now. Sometimes I have to scroll back through and catch up on the conversation if I missed it. What's up, Mark? How you doing this morning? The OGs are coming in late this morning. Is no one getting the notifications, or just everyone showing up late? The OGs are usually, well, most are here. Yeah, I think something going on with my TikTok. It's like not as many people are getting the notifications and all. Oh, you did, Jackson? Nice. Just make sure everyone has, make sure you're following for one, but make sure you have your notifications on for YouTube as well. So. Good morning. Couple errands. I understand. We have 2 minutes, 45 seconds until market open. I am pumped. I am locked in, ready to make some money. Trust me, I want to make money just as much as you all do from trading. I trade to pay taxes, so you know what I mean? Thanks for the follow, Wolf of Texas. Shelly, you hitting this on the gym on the Stairmaster? Stairmaster. I like the Stairmaster occasionally. Been hitting the elliptical a lot lately and pushing the sled at the gym. Sled is no joke. Does anyone push the sled at their gym or whatever? Maybe outside on high? It will wear you out. All right, everyone. It's time to share the lives. Let's get everyone in here. I've been answering questions before it got crowded. I will answer more, but share the live, everyone. Let's get it rolling. Let's get it rolling. Everyone locked in this morning? No, you're not feeling anxious. If you are, go for a quick walk, do some push-ups, calm yourself. No forcing trades. We're going to do this right this morning. I hope we catch a trade, but if we don't have confirmation, I'll not take another trade today. I know it's kind of boring. I may be boring, but it's just how I trade on here. You can build good habits trading, or you can just go trade somewhere that takes 1,000 trades a day and keep the same bad habits forever. It's that simple. No trade yesterday. Did you all end up catching anything? I didn't see a legit setup. I didn't see a setup I would have taken. All right, gotta talk to Team Bull. All right, let's do this, Team Bull. It is time. Watching that Asia low for a possible short if we push up. What's up? Ready to make a bag today, man?
I'm ready to make a bag. accept nothing less. Nothing less than a bag, a big bag. A big old, we're talking duffel bag.
Talking
Big old duffel.
pay for everyone's steak type of bag.
Everyone's steak. That's the type of bag we're looking for.
I
Everyone
agree.
gets steak today.
I agree.
Everyone is feasting steak today. That's just how it's going.
I am manifesting one good trade today. Not much drawdown. Continuation to off price targets. That's what we want. One good trade. $900 to 960, like 900 917 is the area I'm watching for shorts. Welcome in TikTok, everyone. Share the live. This is what platform? It's TradingView charts. It's what you're looking at. Good morning. Apologize TikTok if the live's not showing up. I've had a lot of people say it wasn't showing up for them this morning. But YouTube is up and running well if you want to join over there. GrizzlyTrades.com is where you can find a link to YouTube. Yes, it has, Ryan. Yes, it has. Asia low has been good area for entry, right? A good level for entries lately. When we retest from underneath. No, I haven't. What's up, Thomas? Welcome in. Thanks, Josh, for letting us know. Josh said it is also a 15-minute fair value gap in the Asia low area. Yeah. Oh, I see that. I got the 15-minute pulled up in front of me now. Not that we're going to get to it, but I do like that Asia low. The Asia low. What's the Asia high? 916.25. 24, 916 point. Oh, sorry, it's low. I'm tripping. Asia high is 25,047. What a opening 5-minute candle. You'll see it. Sometimes Asia low and overnight low line up. It's common. It's not uncommon, you know, you see it often. We got to be careful here. No chasing shorts here. Let's see what we do at this previous day point of control. Could be a hard bounce. Can you all not see the screen? Adjust it. Is that good, everyone? What's up, Boss DJ? How you doing? I wouldn't be surprised we wake up back above pre-market. Well, we're doing it now. Pre-market low. A lot of that previous day point of control is nothing you want to go. You don't want to go short right above previous day point of control for sure. It's not a good short entry. Wow. See what I mean? My live account, 804. It seems to be working. My live account's working right now. What a nasty bounce off that previous day point of control, Team Bull. Did you all see that watching the chart? So DJ, treat point of control either we got current point of control right here, right? This is today's, but we also have previous day on the chart. Treat both of them like support or resistance, right? You wouldn't want to short right above support, would you? Right? You don't want to be shorting right above support. You would not want to be going long right below resistance, right? So we have something at 10 a.m. leading economic index at 10 a.m. Yes, share the live. Appreciate you all for joining. Bullish on the day? I'm not bullish on the day. I was looking for a short up here. This Asia low. But like I said, I don't have a bias. I just take what the market gives us. One never knows which way it's going to go. I just wait on key levels and we know our confirmation, right? In them key levels. Jake, what was you trading, man? Right now, my trade base seems to be working properly. I just wish that we would push up, test that Asia low. I'd like to see what we do there. That would be ideal, honestly. What do you all think? I want to know what you all are watching as well. I'm open to another setup if you see a legit one in this area. I don't understand what's been the deal with Tradevate lately. Seems like a lot of platforms are having issues lately. I don't know if they're just getting overwhelmed or what's going on. Why not point of control reject? I mean, it's possible if that's part of your strategy, but I don't just take a. I would take an entry at point of control, yes, but we'd have to have volume confirming it, right? And we'd have to have a risk defined. If that makes sense. If you're having issues with Tradevate, try logging out and logging back in. Let me see if that straightens everything up. It's good to know, Justin. I rarely have troubles out of Tradevate. That one time we all had the same issues where it was showing the error when we tried to get in the trade, but I don't think I've had any issues since. No, I haven't. I haven't turned off the 7-day free trial for Grizzology yet, but I will as soon as we get off here. The reason I haven't, because WAP was having issues yesterday. They had some kind of issue right when I started the 7-day free trial, and I had to contact them directly, and they got it fixed. So if you tried to get the free trial yesterday and you couldn't access, the TradingView tab, Grizzology community chat, you should be able to today. If you want to try it, it will be turned off when this ends, though. GrizzlyTrades.com is where you find the link to Grizzology Indicator. But please understand indicators before you try it. Previous day low. Let me take a look. Nope, that's right. Seems it's taking it from the start of the Asia session for some reason today. Once the market opened, just counting that as a whole day. Wait a second. Let me look here. It's a good question. Oh, that's interesting. It should be at that 52. I'll check it as soon as I get off here. May have to change something real quick in the code for that previous day low. What was that? Yeah, that's what it's doing. It's taking it from the Asia to start. On Tuesday. Take that off the chart for now until I fix it when we get off this live. Good catch, though. Any questions for me? Oh yeah, I'm here. I'm just waiting. No setups yet.
Yep.
Some dangerous price action here.
Construction worker turned millionaire. Grizzly, that podcast was dope. That was back in the day.
Oh yeah, it's been a minute. That's solid. Only for you, man. Only do a podcast with you. Probably the last one I ever do.
I can get you out here. You're coming to Bolton, though, right?
I plan on it, man. Is there a speaker right now? Fed speaker? Trump talking? Fed speaker? Something going on.
I think someone was saying Trump's talking. I don't know if that's true, though.
If you're having trouble at your broker, try logging off and back in. See if that fixes it. My trade evade's working.
Does it mean in trade evade when it says order reject in your account set to liquidation? It means that you probably cooked your account, my friend. I'm sorry.
Look how that candle is pushed all the way back down, wicking back above this. That's awesome, Kayla. You got Grizzology running?
How do you navigate Apex's intraday trailing instead of end of day? It's hard.
Fed speakers. I hate Fed speakers when we're trying to trade. I feel like it should be against the law for them to talk while we're trading. Literally, it could mess up the A+ setup with just one dumb remark, you know? Appreciate that, Sosa. Oh, Trump speaking. Go play some golf, Trump, so we can trade. Any questions, drop them in the comments or the chat. We got time. The Asia low is the only area I'm looking for a short. We just need Trump to go play some golf and leave the market alone. Give us to 11:30, then he can just talk about whatever he wants, you know? Yeah, short weeks are just not the best, are they? Well, I think we're going to catch a trade today. I don't see why we wouldn't. We're close to some good setups here. We're close to some key levels at least. Not paying yourself today? I may pay myself a little bit. I've not made a whole lot this week yet. We'll see what happens today, though. That would decide if I pay myself. One good trade today, why not? At least pay myself a couple thousand, something. It's nice to see the money coming into your bank account from trading. Keeps it real, you know? But I also pay myself from 2 of my companies. So it's a good week regardless. Or 2 of my incomes. One's not a company, one is. Still watching the same level we was talking about pre-market team bull, this Asia low area for a possible short. Bill, are you talking about the ebook that I'm gonna release for prop firms? I might be able to release it today. I'm just making sure it's right. I don't want to have no mistakes in it. It'll be free, so I'll make sure you all know how to get it. It's not going to be anything crazy. It's just going to help people understand prop firms, understand the words, what to look out for, all that good stuff. The accounts I like. Yeah, let's try to help you out so you're not. Especially, it's going to be for everyone, but definitely like people trying prop firms for the first time. It's going to be a game changer. Save them a lot of money. I feel like a lot of people try them without understanding how they work and lose unnecessary money in the beginning.
I'd love to see us confirm with volume.
That's awesome, Alexander.
I'd be very surprised if we confirm this with volume. What I would like to see here is a strong close above, and I would have rather seen our.
He was in a trade. Come on. Hitting VWAP. I wanted higher. News in 5 minutes. Thanks, Ryan. Thanks, Mom Splenny. Be very careful. Oh, there it was. Hold on. Lock in. This is the area I'm watching.
Sorry, go ahead.
This is the area I was watching for a possible short, everyone. I hate how quickly we pushed up there, but...
I'm looking for a move. I'd like to see us close strong above. And if we get that with confirming volume, I'll look for a long. But if we reject this,
I tried a little short here, everyone. Light size.
oh,
I'm in a little short here. Small size at VMNQ shorts. Or normal size, whatever. Just looking for the sweep of that. If it rips up, I'm going to keep my stop on the other side of it. If it pushes up, I will stop out. This volume too looks good. If it pushes up on lower volume today, it's just one of them weeks.
I'm gonna say if we do end up
5
getting
minute
strong
close. Above this Asia low, everyone, I'm out. If we get a 5 minute close here, trade's invalid. I expected it to sweep back down to VWAP, then test that 15-minute range high.
Just waiting, folks. No trade that out that rips for you because you bought. In the case it doesn't, if we do get strong volume here with a strong close, I'm gonna look for a retest back down here. The longs with stops below 860.
5 minute close above this, I'll be out. That's my stop.
900 with stops below 860. It's my only watch right now.
I was hoping with 5 minute would actually close below the 900 as well, but as long as we close below Asia low, I'm still in the trade. Everyone can see my chart, right? Should be no confusion. If you don't like the trade, you can always just exit here. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna follow my plan here.
All right, let's see how this candle closes. I'm not sure we're gonna get that volume.
Oh. Rip straight down now. I'd like to get the 70s to trim, everyone. In the 70s. A little lower than that.
What did you get filled at, around 900?
Yeah, right above 900. There we go. First trim hit. I trimmed, everyone. Move my stop to my entry. Winning trade regardless now. That's how you do it. Next trim's going to be around that 48 if we get down there. 48 is the next trim area. It's my main watch this morning other than the bounce area that hit pre-market. There we go. Keep pushing down. It filled my trim, everyone. Filled the second trim. Now let's see if we get point of control.
It's actually looks decent for a retest back up now. That short looks good with stops good like 920.
Look where that candle closed at. Right below the range, Jaden. Nice. One good trade, everyone. Let's see if we can get continuation out of this. We need to let this run so we have a nice green week, okay? Move your stopped your entry. You can even move it into profits a little now, but we need to let this trade run. Been a tough week. This one trade could be what makes us nice and green. Have a nice payday. So, but we have to lose that point of control to get a massive move down. It's currently going to be our support. We got 2 trims off. Nice trade. Keeping my stop at like 901, everyone.
Don't pay done yet. Nice catch there. That was good.
901. Make sure you set your stop. Hold on, my stop is not working. Did it hit 901 on your charts? I'm still in this trade. If we make a new high on this candle, I'm just going to close the trade manually. It didn't even take my stop. I can't tell if it hit 901 or not. Alright, I'm out of the trade. Nice trade. Trade's over.
Alright, guys. I want to see confirmation candle of volume. That was a nice catch there. Good job.
Thanks, man. Still could sell off, but...
That was a nice catch there.
I made $1,000 on that. I'll take it. Solid $1,000 trade on my personal. Hopefully the next trade I catch will be on my funded. I need to take a trade on that. Anytime we can hit a 4-figure day, I'm happy, you know. Of course I like $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 days better, but anytime we can hit $1,000 plus a day trading, doing amazing, right? Nice, Harold. You made 300 from 4 M&Q. Nice. I got filled in the 900s. It wasn't where I wanted my fill at. I didn't get the best fill on that trade. I wanted it closer to Asia low, but it moved so quickly.
This actually might give us a 2-bar, guys. We might actually end up getting a 2-bar, which would be great if we could catch it in that video I'm making releases.
All right,
well.
all right.
Pull back.
This is a solid trade. There's another setup here, so stick around, everyone. Well. My internet went off for a second. What I'm dealing with right now. Not for sure why. All right, we're ready. I'm good to go. I'm looking for another entry here, everyone. Right around this, we got the confirmation on the orb, so the orb strategy is in play. See if Jadon takes it. I'm watching for another entry here, Team Bull.
What?
I'm watching for another trade here.
Longs?
Yeah, possible long entry.
Yep, I'm watching that too. I want to see us go down to like 880, 890. 900 could be an entry. It's just it's right at the top of that zone. 50 points of risk. Decent amount. I'd rather see a little less. I'd rather see us flush just like 890.
Does anybody know what the delta was on that previous candle?
Get an entry there.
49.
Come on, a little lower.
Yeah, we'll have to keep our stop losses at 50 if we try this, everyone.
It's 890 to 885. That gives us about 35 points of risk there. I'm okay with that. Starting a small size of longs. Small size, bring down. I started my position down there. Just trading micros right here, guys. I will add in if we go down to like 880, and I will stop below 850.
Are we trying this?
Emergency stop in right now.
Are we gonna try this down here, everyone? You wanna try some longs?
I'd like to see a high day out of this.
What is going on in chat with this guy? Jadon Look in Team Bull made me miss this setup.
Nothing anymore, he's banned. All right,
Jesus.
guys.
I don't mind trolls, but when they make me miss a trade, I do.
One second, Grizzly. We're up about 20 points right now. I need much more of the trim, though. I took nothing off of there.
I'm watching for entry around this area right here.
Took nothing off on that move up. I still like this 890 to 880 area for the longs. I have hard stops set just in case at 850.
I want to see us come a little lower, everyone. Just a little better risk reward. If you want to try it here, it's going to be quite a bit of risk on this trade, point-wise. What's that stop? Jesus, 850. I'm gonna try a small size of longs here, everyone. I'm back in M&Q longs right here in the 90s. This light size, better average would be in the 80s. Okay, we had a good winning trade. I'm going light size. I'm in M&Q longs. Okay, keep in mind the trade's not invalid till 850. This is the orb strategy we're trying. It confirmed with this high volume candle here. Confirmed. The breakout candle confirmed is high volume. We waited on a pullback for entry. We wanted as close to this as possible. Is anybody in this? You don't have to set your stop there. I'm just telling you, that's where the trade invalidates. You can say we got in here, you want a 30-point stop, set it. There we go. We actually got to touch that time. That was the main ad right there. That's what I wanted. Looks like it's gonna fail this, or trying to. Keep retesting. I hate when we do that. I like to see the touch and just rip up, you know? Ooh. Oh, see what we do here. Like I said, the trade's not invalid till right here. I feel like it wants that point of control. This is one of them weeks where we've been pushing all the way to point of control before bouncing. We either bounce or we don't. I can't quit yawning again. My average is around 90, but it looks like it's gonna sell off. There we go. Little sign of life here. Let's see what happens. Come on. Just give us continuation here. Give us 2 winning trades today. That's all we want. Come on. Push up. Rip straight up. The Asia Low has dad strength today. I would like to get high day out of this, honestly. I'm going to take a trim here, everyone. It's not the best R to R, but I'm taking the trim. Move my stop to entry. I'm not playing around with this setup. 90, what's my entry? 90. Keeping my stop at 90 after that trim, everyone. Next trim's high day. How we doing? 2 winning trades today. Stop has to be at entry, everyone. We trimmed once, okay? It's not got my stop yet. Stop has to be at entry, though. Alright, I'm out. Trade's over. Trade's over. I got 1 trim, hit entry. Trade's over. Winning trade. '90s. Alright.
Especially as aggressive as that wick down was,
You-
and it's looking, I don't want to sit there and let it go down to 860 or whatever. So sorry, guys.
How'd you do there?
All right. Technically speaking, I didn't hit my 1R, but
Yeah.
it's fine.
I got 1 trim off there and it hit my entry.
Yeah, me too. That's the type of trade where, technically speaking, from what I risked my reward, that R wasn't positive, but it would have been if we would have gotten that 950 plus. I just didn't like what I was seeing with that price action with this wick. So, is what it is. Small win. We'll take a small win.
I'll take it though. 2 winning trades. That first one was solid. The first trade was good. That trade there was a little iffy for a minute. history. I appreciate that. Appreciate the gift, but like I said, you all would never have to buy me anything. I don't expect it. I just like hanging out and trading with you all. So. I want to see what we do here. That was our short area all morning. We caught a short up here, had a nice trade down, then pushed back up. We ended up catching long, so we got one trim off for another win, and it came back down, hit our entry. That point of control could be a bouncer, yes, but I'm not for sure. Should we look for another trade? We've had 2 winning trades. I have plenty of buffer. So did it, boss DJ? I'm sorry to hear that. Wow, this got positive delta on this red candle. Positive delta on this red candle. Can I ask you all a question real quick? Did anyone make money with me today? I don't want to say with me. Did anyone make money from our group effort here, finding good setups? Thanks, Thomas. You are the man as always. Awesome. That's good. Just want to make sure. Gets me pumped when you all share it, you know. Getting close to a point of control, just not quite enough to try it. Let's do this, everyone. We've made good money. I'm open to taking one more trade, but you all have to help me find it. This one's on you all, okay? So, and I'll probably only go with I'll go light, like very light size. So, I'm talking about max risk would be like $200-300 for me on the next trade. Where are you at, Paula? That's awesome. You was 400 away from blowing an account. Now have a 1.5K buffer. Nice. I don't know if I've got the codes for the Apex accounts yet. I'll have to check. I don't want to give away accounts without the actual codes yet for the free ones. That Asia low is just tough today. Has dad strength for sure. That's awesome. You get to work from the hotel. Nice. What happened with Jadon? Everything okay? I don't like longs here. The candle looks great, but this Asia low just has too much resistance. You can see anytime you reject this much, and we closed right at it. If we'd have closed above it, I would have gave longs a go here, but it's hilarious. Some people love it, like love lives like that. I guess I'm just more laid back, TikTok made a bag with me and left. I was used, and then you left. Oh, geez, are still here, yeah. Oh, there you go, MJ. TikTok, I need everyone to do me a favor. I need you to move over. I mean, you can watch the TikTok live, but I need you to go follow my YouTube and turn notifications on. Nice, Ryan. I appreciate it, man. Sorry to hear that, Fabiola. If you want to talk about it, we're down. That candle looked good for a move to the upside. The only thing kept me from trying longs here is where it closed below the Asia low. Look at that volume on that candle too. Low volume push. What's up? We're Everyone, if you've been on lives all week with me, you should have a green week right now. Should be green for you. I'm definitely paying myself today. I'm gonna pay myself $2,000 from my personal account. I just hasn't been a good week for entries, honestly. Tough week for entries. Let's see. It's weird how it did that. Let's look at this. I want to talk about something. See how we pushed down? Any other time, this candle here looks solid. I would have liked to see more. It had decent volume, but a little more volume. Looks good for a continuation, right? But if we got in this trade, it would have pushed down just enough to stop us out. I'm not even for sure if it's going to be able to break the Asia low now. I always focus on my personal accounts first. My personal account. Because, instant access to my money. Then second, I'll focus on funded. Good resource to help understand volume. What is that book? The lady we used to have come in Team Bull and speak. What's her name? Anna? Let me see if I can find the book. My bookshelf's right here behind me. Bookcase, rather. Anna Cooling, yes. Her book's solid. I've got so many books, it's hard for me to find one when I need it. We have 1:30 left on this candle. See what the volume's like on this candle. It could present another opportunity for a trade. Yes, you can share live and drop any questions you have in the comments, the chat. Real quick, everyone, I want to say something while we're watching price action here. What's that? Candle's going to have a decent amount of volume. $8.90. Jesus. Another 50-point stop, though. It's just not been respecting VWAP too well here. What do you all think? Let's talk about it. I was about to say something, but I'll say it after we look for this. Do we try a bounce on this candle? Decent volume. Where's the 50% retracement? We'd have to enter around this 900 if we take it. That's the. Let's see. 24,900 to 24,888. Remember, I'm nice and green. I've had 2 winning trades. Okay? So I'm going to size light on this if we try it. Come on. Don't bounce here. See, one more setup I'm watching, Team Bull.
Watching for the longs?
Yeah, around the 900 area.
Yep, that's what I'm doing too. I'm taking longs if we get down there. 900 to 890 with stops below 56.
888 to 900. I like it. Just not sure if it's going to pull back or not. A little more. 4 more points. I'd have tried it a little bit. I've had 2 winning trades this morning, though, so if anybody takes a trade with me, just know that I'm going to go light, not risking much profits at all. Probably like 300 max risk if I take this. So.
I'm thinking about trying it early here, man. This looks really good for a test up at that 960.
It's just pushed up too much now.
We get a strong close here. So if we had another strong candle with higher volume, I would try it and just move my stops up to 900. I'm so tempted to try this. Don't do it. Nope. DOD. Do you think we go high today?
Slowly, full ports. Oh.
I'm going to see us go a little lower into that zone. I'm going to bring our pullback.
I don't think we are either.
Wait. DOD. Nope, Megan wants me to press buy. I'm going to wait until I get seller's confirmation of risk management.
Is it going to get the pre-market high today?
That's what I want to see. What is this candle?
Close right at the Asia low.
Why we wait?
Is OPEX tomorrow?
Why we wait with DOD? Unlikely bounced right here and then failed too. This makes a potential lower high for the day. I'm still open to this bounce area around 880 to 890, 900, but preferably 885 and just put a risk at 850. 30 points of risk.
I'm watching for that bounce as well, everyone. Any questions, drop them in chat. I was talking earlier. Looks like it's not going to pull back enough. Oh, I was going to tell everyone, I'll be releasing the free PDF soon, as soon as possible. It's for prop firms to help everyone understand them. But if you want to get funded with Apex, Take Profit, or Tradeify, three of the best in the game, go to grizzlytrades.com. Use code Grizzly. You can read about them. See which one works best for you. Code Grizzly. We may get the pullback here. We might get it. You like Tradeify? Yeah, if you want to check out Tradeify, they do have the straight to sim funded. You can skip the evals. They are more expensive. Just be sure you know that aware of the consistency rule with them. It's a little bit lower, so you have to have lot position. Tradeify has good evals too. Don't sleep on their evals side of things. They're cheap, and they're solid. They have a few options, so check that out. I don't right now, Boss DJ. Don't worry, everyone. Next week could be we got NVIDIA earnings next week, so it's definitely gonna be an interesting week. How's trading going today? Tell Lil Wolf in chat how our trading day's been so far. YouTube. Welcome though. It's alright. You're late, but you're here, so. We've had 2 winning trades. He's looking for another entry, but I don't think he's going to give us. I don't think it's going to give it to us. this is it. If we're gonna try it, we need to push down a little lower. A little lower. I didn't try it. I haven't tried it. Didn't quite get to where I wanted. Is anyone having some nice, big, nice steak after this session today? You all should after a trading morning. That sounds amazing, Jay. Open flame. Open fire fillet. Nice, Ed. That's crazy. That's cheap. Is everything just like crazy cheap there? What is this price action though? Come on. Give us one solid trade that gets some continuation. How many points did we get off that first trade? First trade was definitely the best. What's up? What is up? I'm not for sure if I want this trade. As much chop as we've had here. What are we thinking? Thanks for the follow, Catherine. Have a good day, Naya. Yeah, I'm gonna have to set this trade out, everyone. I can't take the bounce here. It's just not what I want to see. Cannot take this trade. Glad we didn't. Oh. I think I'm going to call it a morning, everyone. 2 winning trades. We don't need to risk another one. Let's come back tomorrow. I'll do a giveaway tomorrow, okay? For sure. Maybe the biggest one of the week. Time for fishing. That sounds like a good plan to me. Appreciate you all for joining. If you're going to try Grizzology Indicator, you better get it. I'm about to turn off the free trial as soon as I get off this live. So go to grizzlytrades.com if you want the 7-day free trial for the indicator on the screen. Grizzology. So. I don't have any more take profit accounts to give away right now. Tomorrow will be Apex.